Wagwan fam, welcome to the channel. Look at my beautiful comfrey. She's doing really nice in this. They are doing really nice in this container. Doing really well in here. We had a storm come through last night again. It seems to be a regular thing here now. So going out to check on my fruit trees because I know they might fall over when it's really, really windy. Okay, so my netting that came down. This came down from here. I need to fix that, and I've got some areas over there I need to address. And I can see my tree on the ground over there. One of my apple trees, so let me go pick it up. Cucumber. I'm about to take this netting off of here so it can get pollinated. So this is where my new Easy Cube is gonna go. You love my shirt? Love it, you see. I found it at Goodwill. Yes, he's dope. Long sleeve. I'm kind of matching today. Kind of got my orange going on. This popped off right here, so I don't know how. I don't know how that happened. So I need another one of these zip ties to get it here. This shade cloth, it's wet, so it's heavy. So I purchased yet another stand on Amazon for these massive umbrellas. I have the sandbags on there because when the wind blows, the umbrella goes tumbling over. So yeah, still struggling with that. Still struggling with that, but for the most part, this works with the sandbags on there. I planted more those Egyptian spinach. I planted them, the small ones I had on my porch. I planted them in here yesterday, right before it started to rain. And they look okay so far. Okay, so there is my tree that's down, my apple tree. Not a lot of rain, just really windy. Oh, oh my word. Every time it rains, these hornworms. Ooh. Let me get my scissors. Now my plants were just starting to grow back from the last round of hornworms. And the rain, looks like the rain brought them right back. Look at them. You see them? Yeah, they already started back on this thing again. It just started to grow back. Telling you, I get no breaks from these pests. None whatsoever. Look what they did to the tomato plant. Again. This poor tomato plant. It might have 2 limbs left. That's not bare. Every limb is full of them. Look at it. Ate it down to almost nothing. That's all basil. The only green you see, only green leaves are basil. Oh my goodness. Shoot, look over here. And I need to trellis this. It keeps falling over. Look what I have here. I got a few of them too. This one's giving me some cucumber. Not, I keep saying cucumber. Okra. They're okra. I don't know if they're supposed to be that small, but the container is small, so I might have stunted them. As you can see, there's a whole lot of waste. So there's a worm, caterpillar, something somewhere. There it is. Hornworm. I see them. Yes, let me get them. Ta-da! My oh my, have you grown? I need to get these grass, these weeds out of here. Look how fluffy. She's looking healthy in here. All those blossoms. I need to trellis. Okay, let me trellis it up. And then I have the front to go up. So many blossoms. It's beautiful. So many blossoms. It's got a lot of yellow flowers, yellow blossoms on there. So I heard bees like the yellow. They see the yellow, they love the yellow. So I'm hoping this will encourage them to come pollinate these. A lot of flowers. Lots of flowers in there.